Hey guys,
Hey.
Kyle and Miranda here with Hitching and Fishing.
And Marshall.
Today we're going to do our campsite review for Guntersville State Park. We stayed in 2 different sites there, and we're also going to share with you like some of the stuff we did while we were there. So it's kind of like a Guntersville review / Guntersville adventure kind of thing. Not a real long video, but we're just going to watch the video and respond and talk about what the video is. So we're going to like hide down here in the corner off and on. So let's watch the video. Good morning. It is just broke daylight here at the Guntersville State Park, but we're here at the campground here at the state park, and it is absolutely beautiful.
I'm so excited.
Can't complain about Guntersville State Park. So if you're looking for a great place to go camping, RVing, whatever, or just fishing,
This is my
it's
first
got it all
day
here.
to fish there, so I was excited.
So when you pull into the state park at Lake Guntersville,
Oh yeah, check
see
this
their
out.
sewer septic lagoon thing, but you also see a couple of big emus.
Yeah, emus. Miranda said there was donkeys there too, or
I
something.
think
Not
so.
normal.
What I remember.
You know?
Emus and donkeys. You did a lot of this. This was awesome.
Serene.
This was our first site.
Lots of pretty birds.
What site number was this one?
That was our first site. I think that was 40. I wrote it down. B41.
B41
And they gave us B40 for free. Electric site.
for the boat.
Bathrooms and a laundry facility, playground, the gathering place.
I don't know what that was
But
for.
I wanted to check out the
Did we
laundry
just rent
room.
it?
That's kind of what I figured.
Someone was in there showering. Whoops. Laundry room.
Someone left a note. Look like that washer takes 2 times 45 minutes.
Oh Lord. Okay.
Laundry on the road. This is it
Uh-oh.
in a nutshell.
Okay, so we got dryer for $1.
The price was right.
Yeah.
$1.
Okay, so
Out
I
of
think we have
order,
one
out of
working
order.
dryer
That one
and
had
one
tape over the
working
coins.
washer. I guess that one works too. But there is another laundry facility further
Yeah,
down.
there was another one. We didn't go in there.
Can you pause it? So I was gonna tell you a secret. One of the camp hosts told me one of the dryers that was out of order, you just have to reach behind it and plug it in, and it actually worked. And so I got to do my laundry to dry it for free.
Oh,
But it's a secret.
that's a big secret.
Yeah. I'm sure they have it fixed by now. I hope so. That was
Which
back
dryer
in
was it?
April. It was the one on the far left. Yeah, the furthest one down. So
The one that said out of order.
yeah. But I don't want to get them fired, so maybe I shouldn't tell
You
them.
just figured that out on your own. You just
Oh,
tried
yeah,
it.
yeah.
No one told you how to do that. Yeah, so that's a good tip right there.
Yeah.
Free dryer. Save a buck. All right, back to the bathhouse. This was quite the adventure that you had here. Miranda tried to really invade somebody's space here, I think. We're trying to show you guys everything. I mean, the toilets, everything. Trash cans, lots of sinks and mirrors.
I think that's what you want to see. Let me know if it's not. Because
Oh.
I don't like walking in bathrooms and filming it.
There was someone showering in there.
Yeah.
That's why Miranda flipped around, turned around. There's your little red house finch. More of that, lots of that. I fish, Miranda drinks coffee and puts her feet up. We ate good. That was a good little campsite dinner. And I
We
caught
always
some,
eat good.
caught some crappie.
Yeah.
We ate those.
So the deer here at the state park are super friendly. Look at this one walking right up to Miranda. Look at these right here.
I think I tried to feed them gum.
They're not very
They
wild.
ran to us.
Yeah.
Just turn around.
You want some gum?
Yeah. They don't like gum.
You weren't going to give them gum.
I asked them. I said no.
There's signs posted that say don't feed the deer, so
Sure.
don't.
Everybody listens.
That was at the lodge. Go to the lodge. If you go camping there at the state park, you have to go up to the lodge. Look at that view.
It is really pretty. I can see the good fishing from there.
The sunsets are amazing. Amazing.
I think we got some good footage of sunsets on
And
here.
there's our campground where we're camping.
That's the campground.
So it was date night tonight for Miranda and I. Got off the water a little early after really catching a bunch of fish. It was fun. And we are here at Guntersville State Park. This is the lodge. And it's beautiful. Like it is crested up on top of this hill. If you can't see behind us, that is the lake. And
Yeah, we're way up here. And if you look real close, right like there, it looks like is our camper. That's the campground, like there. Somewhere right in there is where our camper is. So anyway, Miranda, you like it up here?
Oh, it's beautiful.
Miranda's been up here.
A few times.
Yeah. So if you come to Guntersville, recommend the state park. Recommend come checking out the lodge. The food, it's not bad.
Turn them this way. They can see that way. Whoa, that's better.
I did that. I showed them that.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
prettier though.
The food, but it's reasonably priced. I think it was like $13. And I got a hamburger steak and 2 sides, and it literally was a hamburger steak. It was like a hamburger patty without the bun, and I don't know, it wasn't bad. Mashed potatoes and gravy, and the gravy's on the bottom. So that one's new on me.
Yeah.
Brown gravy just was not there, but it was at the bottom. So mad. I was like, where's my gravy? I was like, fine, I'll eat it. And I scooped down, and all of a sudden at the bottom was like a pool of
That was
gravy.
a first. We're eating all the little bugs.
So many bats. Look, if you watch close, oh, there they're going by our head. Oh, that was a good one. So those are all bats.
Oh my
that
God,
are
look at
flying
them
around.
all.
You can hear them.
They're all bats.
Very noisy. Lots of bats. There you go.
The best part.
So this was our second site.
Yeah.
And we were a lot closer to the water. You're not sitting at our site, but you just walked down the road and you were
You're
there.
right there, yeah. Real close to it.
Here you are walking back. I'm rigging my tackle in the boat for the tournament. What site was our second one?
G1.
That was G1. G1 was right on the end. Our other one was kind of on the end too, and they gave us the free one. This one I loved because I had a lot of shade. I could back my boat in, get in the shade, put the awning out because it was pretty hot there. What I didn't like about this one is right here, adverse slope. So that sewer was uphill from the camper, and there's really no way to get around that other than jack your camper real high.
That picture really doesn't prove how uphill it really was.
It was several inches, and
It was
so
bad. The worst we'd seen.
I had to like walk the hose down
Yeah.
and drain it over and over.
Not ideal. Splash pad. The kiddos, this is perfect for them. Playground, splash pad. There's also a beach area, swim beach area that's really nice too. This was after Kyle's takeoff, early in the morning. No one was up, so I walked out in the dock.
All right, we're all packed up here at Guntersville. Got the rig loaded up, hooked up, boats hooked up, Solitude, Camperland, Oklahoma rigs hooked up. We're gonna go talk to Miranda, and we are on our way to Counce, Tennessee, Lake Pickwick. Hey, honey. We're leaving Guntersville. Guntersville was nice. I like Guntersville. We had deer like right here, like right there. Anyway, we're on our way to Counce, Tennessee, Lake Pickwick.
Pickwick Dam Campground.
Once again, when we depart, it's raining. It seems to be.
It's a muddy mess, but
Seems
we
to
got it
happen
done.
at least half the time. It seems like it's raining when it's time
I
to
would
leave.
agree with that.
So anyway,
Messy.
it is dirty feet, dirty hands, dirty everything that touches the camper. So bye, Miranda.
Bye.
So we didn't get all the same video footage we always do, like for the hookups, but this place was newly renovated. The Guntersville State Park had been shut down for a while and opened back up. It has 295 newly renovated spots, and all 295 offer water and electric. I don't know how many offer sewer, but several of them offer sewer as
A
well.
lot.
Both the sites we stayed at were 50 amp full hookup. It has a ton of things to do. The amenities at the state park, you just have to go to the state park website. I'll put it in the link below in the description. I mean, it's got everything from, you probably already watched the ziplining video that I did. If you didn't go check that out, that might be on my fishing channel, but there's a lot of ziplining you can go do. I mean, fun and games and parties and festivals all the way down. There's geocaching, you name it. So you're not gonna get bored there. Lots of fun things to do.
The camp posts are really nice and helpful.
Yes.
We had to move sites. I can't remember why, but they helped us on that. There's a store. There's a little store.
Yeah, little store.
Could you get ice there?
Yeah, 20-pound bag of ice was like $4, $2 or $4.
Yeah.
It was a big old bag of ice. It was a good deal.
You can drive up the mountain up to the lodge. They offer the dinner. There's a big fireplace in there. You could go chill in front of the fireplace. There's a big checkerboard down there. It's something to check out while you're there. I think they have a golf course.
They do. Oh,
also.
yeah. Yep, they have a really nice golf course. That hill's really, really steep going up and down it, so be careful.
Yes, just get into the state park. You're going to go up a steep hill. So when you're driving, pulling your rig, just be safe.
The boat ramp's right there. If you
Yeah.
take a boat, you just gotta exit the park and go like down the street a few hundred yards and turn back in. I think they do that to prevent people just wanting to use a public boat ramp from actually getting into the park. So you gotta exit the park and come back in. Really convenient. You didn't have to pay for that. I guess Guntersville just lets you go for free. That, or I did something wrong, but they didn't charge me at the gate ever.
The campground is gated also, so that keeps it safer. None of the sites were concrete pads. They were all gravel. But the gravel seemed to be in good shape.
They had cabins you could rent.
Yeah, they had numerous
they had all
cabins.
kinds of
Yeah,
things.
yeah.
Yeah, all in all, loved
It
it.
was
We went
good,
there
yeah.
twice. Loved it both times. Water pressure was good.
Mm-hmm.
No Wi-Fi, was there? I don't think this one had any Wi-Fi.
I don't think it had Wi-Fi either.
You had really good Wi-Fi up at the state park, like up at the lodge. There was Wi-Fi there. And they got a hotel there with 100
the
something
lodge is
rooms up
nice.
there. The lodge is
Oh, we had to
magnificent.
have some packages delivered, and they recommend you have them delivered at the lodge.
Yeah.
I think you can have them delivered to the campground store, but we did the lodge, and it worked 90% of the time, but we had an issue once with the package getting to us. Yeah.
One last thing before we go. You may notice our fun little shirts. Mine says "Get Hitched." What does yours say?
If you're happy and you tow it, clap your hands.
Happy you tow it, clap your hands. Marshall, what does yours
Come
say?
here, Marshall. Oh, he's so tired.
Marshall's snoozing.
Let me
Oh,
see
yeah.
it.
So Marshall's got him a little Grand Design RV. So we live in a Grand Design. We don't partner with Grand Design or nothing, but we're a pretty good believer in our home. They make a good fifth wheel product. But they got fun apparel on there, and they got stuff for the dog. So if you want to go to granddesignrv.com,
Yeah.
I'll put that link in the description below too, and get you some fun, get hitching or clapping your hands. Because
And I got a polka dot raincoat. That's so cute.
you're happy and you tow it. She did get a polka dot raincoat.
That's nice.
Anyway, so I hope you guys like this video. I hope it helps you decide whether you want to stay at Lake Guntersville State Park or not.
Highly recommend it.
And we'll see you guys in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.